Dr. Fowl has a unique approach to insulating both small homes and large public buildings. Surprisingly, it even works well with mud brick structures. However, the installation process is quite labor-intensive. Workers need to embed sheets of hot-dip galvanized steel that are 25 cm wide with an overlap of about 4 cm. On the bright side, the new protective layer completely prevents groundwater from seeping in. This means it eliminates dampness, mold, and other related issues. If the walls are already damp, they'll dry out within about 3 to 4 months. The expected lifespan of this solution is around 60 years, but in practice, it can last as long as the building itself. Grip-Rite ProWrap SA is a self-adhesive spun-bonded fabric designed for both residential and commercial construction projects. It serves 2 main purposes. First, it provides protection against drafts, rain, and excess moisture, as guaranteed by the manufacturer. Second, it allows vapor to pass through. Additionally, Grip-Rite ProWrap SA is known for its incredibly easy installation. It can be handled by just one person, with no primer needed. Many construction projects call for meticulous scanning. Luckily, this task can be handed over to a robot. Take, for example, the well-known robotic dog from Boston Dynamics. In this video, it's outfitted with a Leica BLK Arc Universal Scanning Module. This cutting-edge device operates within a range of up to 25 meters and uses a combination of GNSS and Grand Slam technologies. It can retain scan results in its memory for up to 24 hours. The module offers a 360-degree horizontal and 270-degree vertical field of view. When configured properly, the Leica BLK Arc can work autonomously. Moreover, it can use both traditional drawings and BIM models for route planning. This crew is about to make this section of asphalt look just like paving stones. This technique also works on old pavements if it's in good shape. The process starts with surface preparation, including measuring and marking the area. Then, using propane, they heat the asphalt. In this case, the temperature isn't specified, but other companies do it at around 163 degrees Celsius. Next, the workers lay and press a template onto the surface. Finally, they apply protective coatings in the desired colors. In the video, they use Street Bond SB120, a 2-component mixture of epoxy resin and acrylic. Salvos is a Finnish family business that specializes in selling wooden houses. These houses are assembled in the factory and delivered to customers fully finished. They offer compact 30 square meter models, as well as larger options up to 4 times that size. Salvos experts handle all the details, from applying for building permits to managing foundations, electricity, and glazing, leaving you to relax. The houses are made from Finnish spruce, combining modern technology with traditional craftsmanship. To top it all off, you can even add a sauna. If ordered separately, you can enjoy a steam right on the day of delivery. DCAF is now showcasing its approach to staircase formwork. First, their specialists design stair form, which are galvanized steel forms. These forms are then sent to the construction site, complete with reinforcement and handrails. Workers simply need to move the forms to the right floor using a crane, for example, set them up, and pour the concrete. This method speeds up construction, eliminates the hassle of dealing with removable elements, and makes it easier to achieve a set of perfectly finished stairs. It's no surprise that the first customer for this formwork was the large Tun Razak Exchange Mall. DCAF created 67 forms for them in various widths and heights. Kajima Corporation is one of Japan's leading construction firms, so it's no surprise they're exploring robotics. Together with their subsidiary Tumsuk, Kajima specialists are working on a groundbreaking project, a team of robots designed to install suspended ceilings in office buildings. Currently, only prototypes exist, but if all goes well, they'll form a well-coordinated team. The Japanese plan to use AI algorithms and teach these robots to share information with each other, allowing them to adjust the installation process based on previous stages. Meanwhile, humans will simply observe this fascinating process. Could this be a glimpse into the future of the construction industry? Aerogel is incredibly strong. It can even stop a bullet. NASA used it to bring a piece of comet debris back to Earth. It's also the lightest material on our planet. Now, a new generation of fire protection blankets called Armorel HTF has been created using aerogel. With these blankets, there's no need to wait for drying or curing. Armorel HTF is perfect for places that need both insulation and top-notch fire protection. At just 10mm thick, it can handle temperatures up to 650 degrees Celsius. It's been officially tested for 120 minutes and meets high standards like UL 1709. Perry is one of the world's leading manufacturers and suppliers of formwork and scaffolding. So, why not add something special to their lineup? Imagine the excitement of builders when they get this scaffold transportation system. Introducing the STS300 model, developed in partnership with Alimak, a top maker of elevators, hoists, and platforms. It pairs perfectly with up scaffolding and can lift up to 300 kilograms to heights of up to 50 meters. Plus, it's fast, with speeds of up to 17 meters per minute. To put that into perspective, it allows a two-person team to install up to 300 square meters of up scaffolding in just a day. Belock is a versatile, adjustable suspension system suitable for a wide range of uses. From installing heating and ventilation systems to working with lighting and acoustic solutions, it's got you covered. The on-site workers will appreciate the fact that no special tools are required. Just take a look at how easy it is to install. The Belock can support up to 70 kilograms and is compatible with rope diameters of 1.5, 2 and 2.5 millimeters. The toothed rollers and springs ensure the ropes lock securely in place, but can be easily adjusted with one hand if needed. Plus, the designers have considered the environment. The Belock packaging is made from 60% recycled material. In December 2023, Piplife was contacted by a contractor working on a large facility for XXX Lutz, one of the world's leading furniture retailers. The contractor needed to quickly install a climate control system in a 15,000 square meter space. Pipelife's experts took on the challenge and started work in February 2024, completing the project by May. They fabricated, delivered, and installed 832 heating and cooling panels, each measuring 2.2 by 2.7 meters. Galvanized steel grating was used to support the system elements. What's truly impressive is that Pipelife's solution isn't just a collection of separate parts, but a single integrated unit. How do modern builders put up columns? With ease and quality, using TechonHeito formwork on site. Made from S355 steel profiles lined with 12mm thick birch plywood, it comes in various sizes, such as 2.7 meters high and 75 cm wide, perfect for rectangular columns. One of the handy features of TechonHeito is its precise adjustment in 5cm increments. The formwork is assembled using clamps, so no special skills are needed. It can withstand a maximum fresh concrete pressure of 80 kilonewtons per meter squared, making it a great choice for infrastructure projects as well. About 70% of the US population lives in their own homes, and most of those are frame houses. So it makes sense that FastenMaster is promoting the FrameFast system in the local market. It has just two parts. First, the specialist sets up the guide rail, and then uses a special 15cm long fastener with a Torx tap drive system. This method is incredibly convenient. It takes 5 times less time than dealing with anchor ties, and there's no need to bother with a nail gun and compressor. The FrameFast system guarantees efficiency and corrosion protection for the entire lifespan of the building. Plus, the perfectly aligned angle on the guide ensures error-free results, even with a large amount of work. Attec specializes in precast concrete barriers, and surprisingly, one of their main benefits is noise reduction. These barriers are great for areas near railroads, highways, industrial facilities, and other noisy places. According to expert calculations, a high enough barrier can reduce noise levels by 5 decibels. And if you build an extra tall version, for each additional meter of height, the noise protection increases by 1.5 decibels. In the video, the crew is building a 6-meter barrier. It's worth noting that even the UN has highlighted the harm excessive noise can cause to our health. The bright yellow mesh you see in the video, used with air-rated concrete blocks, is called WallGrip. It enhances the reliability of future construction by minimizing cracking and improving both compressive and tensile strength of the masonry. This is especially crucial in areas prone to earthquakes. WallGrip's fiberglass structure is protected by a special coating, making it stable in both acidic and alkaline environments. Plus, it offers fire resistance similar to steel, is easy to cut, and doesn't cause corrosion issues in the joints. For the best results, you only need to install WallGrip in every third row. Looking for precast concrete structures? Whether you're a commercial developer, homeowner, engineer, or architect, American Precast Concrete has got you covered. This company can even arrange delivery by helicopter. They're ready to tackle almost any job, from regular walls to coastal stabilization. Need a sturdy 4-meter high fence? No problem. American Precast Concrete's products are built to withstand even earthquakes. Want to focus on style? They offer options with brick and natural stone finishes. Since their experts handle everything from design to installation, the estimate you get will be extremely accurate. And it's free. Next up, we have several crews working with concrete. They use this material not just for walls and foundations, but also for roofs. This is quite common in Southeast Asian countries. Due to high humidity and wood-damaging insects, concrete is used even on the pitched roofs of private homes. In more advanced projects, monolithic technology is employed, using formwork and extruded polystyrene to make void formers. Some viewers might be thinking about old roof shingles made with corrugated cement sheets that are usually reinforced with fibrous materials like asbestos. That's indeed an old but relevant term in construction. Adfor's glass grid is a line of geogrids designed to reinforce pavement. They might look simple, but they can triple the lifespan of asphalt concrete layers. Plus, using Adfor's glass grid can cut the maintenance costs of the reinforced road by about 50%. The CG version combines glass fiber, non-woven fabric, and a patented elastomer. This combo significantly reduces temperature cracks and acts as a waterproofing layer too. It's even suitable for corner repairs. Manually, workers can pave up to 1,000 meters per hour, and with specialized machinery, that number jumps to 6,000 meters per hour. Let's check out another type of formwork. This time, Geoplast has something interesting to offer. They sell a plastic version called Geoc Sky that's ideal for any type of slab. The assembly process is like playing with a giant Lego set, but in the end, you get a practical solution with many advantages. First, thanks to the wedge-shaped beams, some parts of the formwork can be removed just a day after casting, depending on the element's characteristics, mixture type, and other factors. Second, Geoc Sky uses the same panels as wall formwork, adding to its versatility. And third, we mentioned plastic for a reason. The heaviest Geoc Sky element weighs only 11 kilograms. Quick, easy, creative. These three words perfectly describe the Dreamclick system. It's intuitive and allows you to lay vinyl tiles and planks twice as fast as other products on the market. One person can cover 12 square meters in just half an hour, and that's just the start of Dreamclick's many benefits. The only tool you need is a knife. The job is done without dust, noise, or bothering the neighbors. With Dreamclick's amazing versatility, you can create unique combinations of planks or patterns like herringbone. Plus, if one piece gets damaged, you can quickly replace it without dismantling the entire floor. Finally, let's look at two systems for working with gravel. The first, Euro Gravel Plus, is great for refreshing garden paths or private parking lots. Its hexagonal cells filled with gravel can handle up to 11.8 tons per square meter. They're comfortable for biking or walking with a stroller, and a special membrane prevents weed growth. The second system, Euro Gravel Pro, is incredibly durable. With gravel fill, it can withstand 340 tons per square meter. This is thanks to its stronger cells, among other things. The Pro version has walls up to 4 mm thick, while the Plus has walls only 2 mm thick.